Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L, stock number E1808P. 18,000 miles on this Pacifica. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, brilliant black in color. You receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Stow and go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Sunshades on all rear windows. It's a very safe vehicle. Backup camera and rear parking sensors, helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is very easy. You can of course fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline, have hooks in the seats for latch system, keep child seats completely secure. This Touring L has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air, along with heated front seats. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And this is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 9-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Hard keys for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead. Liftgate and sliding door controls and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Pacifica has a 3.6 liter V6, 287 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon and a city average of 28 on the highway. And approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this Pacifica, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.